Hi everyone, and welcome to day 4 of Vlogmas. Excuse the wet hair, I just washed it, just got out of the shower. Today we're continuing to decorate the tree. We have an interesting breakfast plan. We're going to take that panettone that I showed you a few days ago and we're going to make French toast with it. I think that'll be fun. And for dinner tonight, I think we're going to make a spicy shrimp dish. I'm not exactly sure what we're going to do with it. We're going to think about that during the day and come up with something interesting for you. We're just going to continue to decorate and listen to Christmas music and have good cheer. So come along with us for the day. This morning we're going to make the panettone French toast. This is what a panettone looks like when it comes out of the package. This is a tiny one. But I'm going to slice this up and we're going to dip it in some egg mixed with some cinnamon. And we're going to fry it up in a frying pan. Put maple syrup on top. I sliced up the panettone and I have 2 eggs, a little almond milk, and some cinnamon in this bowl, which I'm going to whisk together. I'm taking the slices of panettone, dipping it both sides in the egg mixture, and transferring it to the frying pan. We're taking a side trip to the farm market. We have 3 farm markets around us and one is already closed, and our favorite one said they were going to stay open until they didn't have anything left to sell. So we're hoping that they're still open, but we're not sure, but we're going to swing by and see if that's the case. If not, there's a 3rd one that stays open year-round and we like them a lot too. So here we go, vegetable shopping. Well, we got a few things at the farm market, some greens, some eggs, some onions, you know, some other things. A bag of mixed nuts, because I'd like to feed squirrels out back. And then we ran into the supermarket too to get some seafood broth. So what we decided to do for dinner tonight, we're going to make spicy Calabrian shrimp. And then we're going to make some kind of seafood risotto with mushrooms in it, and some shallot, and possibly a salad on the side. So that's dinner tonight. I hope you're looking forward to it. Decided to make pilaf instead of risotto because I don't have enough arborio rice for risotto, but I have plenty of jasmine, which is what I need for the pilaf. So the first thing I'm doing in this pot is frying up some shallot in some olive oil, and then I'll add the rice, and then I'm going to use some seafood broth, and then we'll just cover it and let it simmer and the rice will be done. I'm going to cook some mushrooms on the side, which I'm then going to stir into the rice pilaf, and we'll have the shrimp on top of that. And instead of a salad, we decided to make some roasted vegetables. Peas are tossed with a little bit of olive oil, a touch of honey, and a pinch of nutmeg. For the spicy shrimp, I have some Parmesan cheese, some Calabrian chili paste, some dried oregano, adding some olive oil. We're going to stir this up till it forms a paste. And this is what we're going to dip the shrimp in. Add a little more olive oil so it's a little more liquidy. Today's tea is 3 cinnamon. A sweet embrace of organic Indian, Indonesian, and Vietnamese cinnamon. Oh, I can't wait to try that. It's a pretty color. Smells so good, it's like dessert. Tastes like big red gum. In a good way. Tastes like cinnamon. It's tea time with Bella, my love. Whoop. Thank you for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's recipes. They were a lot of fun to make. And come join us tomorrow, because tomorrow I think we're gonna take a ride up to Whole Foods, which is about a 30-minute drive from here. And they're probably doing some fun Christmas stuff as well. But I wanna go there and get mussels, because I think for dinner tomorrow I wanna make spaghetti and mussels. That's always one of my favorites. And Friday, I think we're gonna try to do Vlogmas live. So we'll probably go live sometime around 5 or 6 p.m. Eastern time. When I figure out what time we're definitely going to do it, I'll write a little note on the community tab on my channel. So you can always check there if you want to know exactly what time we're going to go live. So you can live chat with me if you want to while we're doing it. So check back then, and I'll see you tomorrow. Thanks for joining me today. Bye.